Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Are you waiting for the number 10 bus?
Yes, I am. It's a bit late today.
Yes, maybe traffic is heavy.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I do. I go to work in the city.
Nice. I work near the market.
That's great. What do you do?
I'm a shop assistant in a clothing store.
Sounds interesting.
What about you?
I work in an office. I'm an accountant.
Oh, I see.
Here comes the bus.
Finally.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Subscribe and click the bell icon.